Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you all are well. Today I am going to teach you the Arabic alphabets with the help of dots. After that, it will very easy to recognize the Arabic words. Kindly read after me with full attention. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. This is Noorani Qaida and lesson number 1, part 1. This is Alif. Alif. Alif has no dot. This is Ba. Ba. This is Ta. Ta. This is Sa. Sa. Ba, Ta and Sa shape is same, but difference between them, Ba has one dot down and Ta has two dots above and Sa has three dots above. This is Jeem. Jeem. This is Ha. Ha. This is Kha. Kha. Jeem, Ha and Kha shape is same, but difference between them, Jeem has one dot underneath, Ha has no dot and Kha has one dot above. This is Dal. Dal. This is Zal. Zal. Dal and Zal shape is same, but difference between them, Dal has no dot and Zal has one dot above. This is Ra. Ra. This is Za. Za. Ra and Za shape is same, but difference between them, Ra has no dot and Za has one dot above. This is Sin. Sin. This is Sheen. Sheen. Seen and Sheen shape is same, but difference between them, Seen has no dot and Sheen has three dots above. This is Swad. Swad. This is Dod. Dod. Swad and dot shape is same, but difference between them, sword has no dot and dot has one dot above. For more Qaida videos, please subscribe our channel and also like and share. Jazakallahu khairan.